Hello, today I'm going to change the starter on a Husqvarna YTA 18542. It's a Briggs & Stratton starter. Lift the hood of the tractor, the number will be on the front right there, and you get the model number for the part that you need. 593 934 starter motor. Just going to open these into the unlock position. Move this off where the air filter goes. And you have bolt here, bolt here, bolt here on the back, and a bolt back here. Remove the 10mm bolts. The last one. Your flathead. Got that screw. Take out the air filter. Replace that, and the whole cover should lift off. The cover should lift off. There's the starter. Before we remove the starter, I'm going to disconnect the battery. Come over here to the back, lift up the seat, disconnect the negative on the battery. Move that out of the way. Now we can work on the starter. So I'm using a 7/16 socket, holding a nut below the electrical wire with a 7/16. Break it free. Starter wire off. Gotta take off these two top bolts. 1/2-inch socket, take the starter bolts off. This bracket holds the wire down back there. This 1/2-inch bolt with a hold the starter. That last starter bolt out. There we go. Mine's beat up because I hit it to get it started once. Starters look identical. Started by hand, tighten up the 1/2-inch bolt. I'm gonna put the bracket back on the bolt. Gotta get up in there. Hold the wires on. That bracket, black and red wire, keeps them secured. It's tight. Motor mounted. We connect the starter wire. The end of the 7/16 nut on the starter wire. All the wires are good. Motor's connected. Put it back together. Put the cover back on the top of the motor. I'll put the one little screw. Turn the screw. Put the air filter back on. In the unlock position, turn to the lock position. It's in the unlock position, we turn to the lock position. Turn over the cover bolts. Turn over 10 millimeters. Starter motor is installed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, leave in the comments below. Turn up the battery.